Want your AI agent to collect a signature at the perfect moment in a conversation? With the Collect Signatures tool, your AI agent can request a digital signature exactly when it's needed. I'm Kayla with JotForm, and in this video, I'll show you how to set up signature requests in your AI agent. In the AI Agent Builder, click the Train tab, then select Tools from the menu on the left. Click Collect Signatures. In the Message field, enter the short instruction users will see. For example, please sign below to confirm. To proceed, please provide your signature. Or, please sign here to complete the request. Now, configure the agent prompt. This is where you tell the AI, when should it request a signature, why is the signature needed, at what stage in the conversation. For example, for an appointment agent, after the user confirms the appointment details, ask for a signature to finalize the request. General example, when the user is about to submit a request that requires approval, collect a digital signature. The clearer your prompt, the more accurately the signature appears at the right moment. You'll also see options to collect email address and full name. Enable these if you want to capture additional information along with the signature. Click Save. Then toggle Preview on the top right corner. Test it with messages like, I confirm the appointment details, yes, I approve, or please finalize the request. If configured correctly, the signature request will appear automatically. And that's how you request signatures with your AI agent. With smart prompts and perfectly timed triggers, you can collect confirmations seamlessly right inside the conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next JotForm AI Agents video.